Hey again, what I want to do in this game or in this video, I want when someone select complete row or complete column, he will get win. He won the game. So now I want to define the winner of the game. So how we will be able to define the winner of the game? We said here we have list of the in the player 1 list of the data he selected, in the player 2 you have list data I've selected. So it's better after I'm playing the game, I check the winner. So I will define void for check winner. I see who is the winner. Okay, so check the winner will not take anything, just checking who is the winner. So how I would know the player 1 is the winner? If player 1 select complete first row, for example, if I have in the player 1 it's contain 1 have value 1 and the player 1 have value 2 and the player 1 have value 3, okay, he is the winner. Is that right? So that means he select complete row, so that means he is the winner. Now I have it, he is the winner. Winner is the number 1. So let's suppose I have integer here, winner equal -1, so I don't know who is the winner now. But if the winner 1 he select, that means the player 1 is the winner. That means if he contain 1 and 2 and 3, that means he selected complete row 1 2 3, he is winner. 1 2 3 or 3 or 5 6 7 8 9 10, he is winner. But I have to set all the rules here for all the players. So maybe the player 2 will select 1 2 3. So in this case the player 2 will be the winner. I will continue setting all these rules for all the other cases. So let me continue. For rows I will say this one. Okay, let me just do it in this way. Copy this rule. This is for the second row, for the third row. Okay, so to make sure my code is formatted well, I pop up. Wait, I need to define it everything here. So I just need to format the code. So that was for first case, for first row. This row 1. I need to define for row 2. Always make your code format so you would follow it. So for row 2, if he has a 3, 4, 5, he is the winner. The winner will be 1. Also, if he have a 3, 4, 5, the winner will be winner 2. Here I check of the row number 3. When the row number 3 will be the winner? If we have 6, not 3, wait. This one I have 4, 5, 6. This is the second row, 4, 5, 6. The second row, 4, 5, 6. So just to set the rule so I will not get any problem, let me just add the number here, draw the number here. Okay, I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if he get 4, 5, 6, that's mean 4, 5, 6 is winner. Now 7, 8, 9. So if I have 7, 8, 9, he's the winner. Also this one, if he have 7, 8, 9, he will be the winner. I will complete the things for the columns rule. So let me suppose I now add the column 1. So this one, column 1. So what do you think for column 1? How I would be the winner? I have to have 1, 4, 7. Is that right? Have to be 1, 4, 7. Same thing, this one, if he have 1, 4, 7, he will be the winner. I will continue for the second and third column rules. Second, third, second column and third column. Okay, for the second column should be 2, 5, 8. So 2, 5, 8. Also this one should be 2, 5, 8. So for this one or this one, he will be the winner. Last roll is 3, 6, 9. So if he get a 3 and 6 and 9, he will be the winner. If this one get a 3 and 6 and 9, he will be the winner. So now if the winner 1 or 2, that means I need to display some alright. I need to show them, hey, you win the game. So let me suppose here I start. I say, hey, if the winner, not this one. How is it? Here I have the default value is -1 if there is no winner. So that means I say, hey, if the winner is not equal -1, okay, that means there is a winner. That means we have winner. That means here we have winner. So now I need to show him message. I say, hey, you won the game. So because he's not -1. So I need first of all show him alright and show him dialogue. Say, hey, you win the game. There's too many ways to do that. There's a simple way. You say if the winner equal 1, that means the first one who is the winner. Say mean, hey, to ask dot make text. I want to display text. So I want to display it in this activity. This is just parameter. The message you say player 1 is the winner, and you want to say to ask. This is just parameter dot long. You need to set it. Then you said, hey, I don't know why I'm using this one. I don't never see it. Dot show. Okay. So this is basic to ask message that display message front user. Just say to ask dot make text. You pass this parameter and you pass all these parameters. You just need to change the text to whatever you want. So I want to with a winner, number 1 is winner. I do it this way. So here if the winner is equal 2, if the winner number 2, so I will say player 2 is the winner. Just message. So to ask dot make text, you will see it is the message. So now I want to call this method check a winner. I want to call it after any player select anything. If you see, here is the way to select the player to play the game. So after he select, I need to check if he is the winner or not. So I would just remove this one and I click run to see what is going on. Hopefully now, whenever any player win the game, he will show him to ask, hey, you win the game. So I select this one, then second one select this one, I select this one, then second one select this one, I select this one. You say player 1 is winner. See, this is how we play the game basically. But if you see, the person could click it the something again, so it's not good. It's better to set it disabled. That means after the player play the game, after I set it, I need to change the button select dot set visibility or set enable. Set enable. I will check false. That means I don't allow another person to click on the same button again, which is just restricting rule. So we say button does set enable false, so now no one could click on the button again. See, you have to click on the other place. Yes, here we're done. Thank you for watching and see you next.